Yeah, just a little something. I'm gonna put my mask on before my live start. All right. Hey, Ava. Gotta wait till my live. Oh, what's up? Hello, everybody. This is Domino here. Okay. There's some folks over here. We don't know who they are. Oh, that must be on somebody else's side of the family. Okay. All right, so vlog with my mask on, doing social distancing, you know. Okay, so I'm at my cousin Journi's birthday party, you know. She should have made 3 yesterday, so it's a so let's go walk over here. Here's your now, you on TV. Yeah, she don't like being on the show. She was on the show before. So anyway, it's a big baby sister's birthday. Here's the big sister.
I don't want to be on TV.
Yeah, she mean sometimes. All right. So anyway, Journi makes 3. Y'all seen Journi before. Where's the birthday girl? Easter Sunday. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, I'm gonna stop this live and I'll be right back. So, Riley, you got something to say to? Nothing else? What's up, bro? Back again. Oh, what's up? I'm back, y'all. We just turned the camera on. But anyway, welcome back to the show. All right. So, where did Journi go? She's hiding.
There she goes, Rwanda. Journi over there.
Oh, Journi over there? Oh, there she is, I guess. All right. So, what you got to say? Oh, all right. Never mind you. All right. So,
Don't put the camera on.
why not? You don't want to be on television?
Yeah, I do. Put it on.
All right, then. I don't have much to say, but what the heck I want to say? So, anyway, y'all, being at this birthday party on Easter Sunday and stuff like that, I wasn't planning on coming though. So, let's read this. Look at this, just like when Naomi's party. Happy birthday, Journi. Easter baby, you know. Oh, she walked across the street by herself. Oh, don't do that. Look at the birthday girl. Why would you do that?
Journi, come here.
That's
Don't walk across that street. You heard what I say?
dang.
Don't walk across that street. No more.
Jeez. I didn't see that. Good Lord. Yeah, well, I'm glad no calls didn't come or whatever. It's very dangerous, you know. Look at Cardi, say, hey, Cardi on TV. I guess you don't want to be on TV. Let's go see the birthday girl again. Okay. Hey, you on the show, say, hey. Journi, say, hey, you on TV. All right, I'm doing the show in case y'all wondering. All right, so. Barry, you got something to say? You got something to say? I'm doing the show. Yeah, I wasn't planning on. Oh, well, let me get out of here. We don't want, huh? All right, so anyway, y'all. You filming me too?
Yeah, you can know. I'm filming my baby.
Oh, I thought, well, if you could film me, if you gonna film me, put me on YouTube. Don't just film me. All right. Hey, Journi. Hello, gang. Say hello. All right. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. All right. So, Yeah, there go the big sister right there, you know. A proud big, oh. Well, all right, I'm sorry about that malfunction. I apologize for that, okay? A war room malfunction. I apologize for that malfunction, though. It wasn't supposed to be like that. So I apologize, okay? So I mean, malfunction. I hate those. I mean, that's the third war room malfunction on a Domino 7 show. That's not supposed to happen. All right, that was a whole malfunction. Okay. All right. About to stop this live, okay? Bye. Well, more invited guests, and all right, I'm back again, y'all, with this Facebook Live. Oh, Dion is here. You want to be on the show? You on the show? All right, on my YouTube show, Facebook Live. Facebook Live. Well, it's going on YouTube anyway. I don't know when. Okay, so all right. So anyway, at the birthday party, oh Riley, look at Riley. All right. So, all right. So, oh man, I gotta watch where I'm stepping. I almost fell right backwards right here. Yes, I'm on live. You on the show? All right. Oh, what Janai at? Never mind Janai at this point. All right. Look at Shantae. Hey, hey, Ava. Say hey, you on the show, you on TV. All right. Like I said, I wasn't planning on coming though, but hey. All right. All right. So all right. So well, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either I continue with the party or go back home. All right. Bye, y'all. All right. Welcome to well, all right, I'm back. Is that the Easter Wabbit? The Easter Wabbit. I just seen that the Easter Wabbit. He's so fluffy with his Easter eggs. Wow, I see the Easter Wabbit. You hear me, John? I see the Easter Wabbit.
You see him, huh?
Yeah, this is Dion, y'all. Y'all seen on my show before. Yep. The last appearance she appeared in was the Christmas episode. Oh. I still act like a child. I say Easter Wabbit. What, Jay? What you got to say? All right. Look at the Easter Wabbit.
We need him to know in validation that Ronald was all about the building. Couldn't he be in the building before the stage?
All right. So I wasn't planning on coming though. Got the Easter Wabbit. So fluffy with his Easter eggs. It's a loving family, y'all. Loving family, y'all. All right. All right. Oh, Sabrina, you want to be on the show? Oh, you're on the Domino 7 show.
What's up, y'all? This is a hard head.
Oh, no hard heads on the show. Never mind. All right. Oh, no, I can't cancel you. Well. Oh, really? Okay. Okay. Look at the Easter rabbit, y'all. The Easter rabbit. All right, here's the Easter rabbit. The Easter rabbit.
Look at the Easter bunny, Katie.
And you know, I call him the Easter rabbit.
The Easter rabbit.
Yep. You on the show? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I get my consent.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant my. Oh, I will. I'll try. All right. Easter rabbit. All right. So, I guess I'm gonna be at the house, okay? Oh, okay. All right, I'm back home right now. You know, it was a nice day. Journi had a wonderful time. You know, and then Janai, oh Lord, you gotta love Janai. I'm having my Easter dinner. Church's chicken sandwich, Church's chicken, and corn on the cob. Yep. So I'm at home enjoying my Easter dinner in this Easter Sunday episode, you know, Facebook Live Easter Sunday episode, you know. And that was Sabrina's first debut on the show. Isha first debut on the show. And stuff like that, you know. So here I am enjoying my day at my house. I was supposed to stay home, you know. I was really supposed to stay home. I wasn't supposed to go out at all, you know. I was supposed to stay home, you know. But had to go out there, you know. So, yep, look around. Well, it's always empty back here, you know. Normally, teenagers are running around here. Well, they still run around here. Okay. So, as I'm standing here wandering around and stuff like that, wandering and stuff. Yeah, I love wandering sometime, you know. Okay, so anyway, y'all, I'm just wandering around, just out here and there, you know. All right. Pizza Hut is closed. Dominoes is closed. I assume Papa John's probably closed too, you know. I could have went to Papa John's or whatever, but I decided not to. Okay. People broadcast about stimulus checks and all that. Keep it to yourself, you know. If you have stimulus, keep it to yourself, bros. Okay? All right. So, yeah, I was. Oh, should I go pay my friend Shamika a visit if she's home? Whatever. Well, maybe I would. But anyway, I want to talk about something, you know. Watching Bugs Bunny. Well, Bugs Bunny. All right. Excuse me. All right. So now that I'm home, relaxing and stuff like that, and Easter Sunday is almost over. Yep. That's all, y'all. Easter Sunday is over. And, well, almost over. Journi having a great time. Janai, the big sister, having a great time. Yeah. Yep. So, yeah. That's all to it, you know. So, and you know, TJ is online. I don't know if I should bring him on camera. Well, if I decide to bring him on camera, then I'll have to accept my request. Well, actually, I'm a bring him on camera on another video. Okay, so I'm a stop this and then, you know. So, all right then. So, anyway, this Facebook Live episode of the Domino 7 Show, Facebook Live Easter Sunday, Journi's 3rd birthday party episode, okay? Alright, Domino 7 reminding y'all to help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 Show, okay? Goodbye.